Morning students, chapter 1 set language. Now we are going to see what is the meaning of set. For in our daily life, we often deal with a collection of objects like books, stamps, coins, etc. Okay, in our daily life, we used a collection of objects. It is a collection of objects in the sets like books, stamps, coins, etc. Okay, so that is set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. Normally, we collect some of the objects, that is collection of books, stamps, coins, etc. Like that. Mathematically, we use that word set language. Set language is a mathematical way of representing collection of objects. Students observe these pictures. For it is, what is this? Fruits. It's a collection of fruits. It is collection of, what is this? Collection of some of the things, that is electrical things. So that is for a collection of things, that object means that things we called it as objects. Okay, so the definition, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. It is the definition of set. A set is a well-defined. Well-defined. What is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined collection of object mean that given a specific object, it must be possible. It is a must be possible for us to decide whether the object is an element of the given collection or not. Well defined means it is possible to count. Okay, it is possible to find, identify. Okay, otherwise it is possible to make a definition about it. Okay, students. For some example, the collection of all books in District Central Library. It is possible to collect the information related to this. Next, the collection of all colors in a rainbow. This is also possible. The collection of prime numbers. Okay, so this is the example for sets. Students, once again we have to recall set. What is the meaning of set? Collection of well-defined objects. Some of the questions are given. Collection of natural numbers. Collection of natural numbers. It is possible to define. So it is set. Collection of English alphabet. This also set. Collection of good students in a class. Collection of good students in a class. It is not a set. Why it is not a set? Some of the teachers like some students. Some teachers like other students. So it is related to their opinion. So it is not a set. It is not a well defined. So it is not a set. Next, collection of states in our country. This is set. Collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. Beautiful flowers. I said some of the flowers are beautiful, but some of them not like that same flowers. So it is not well defined. So this is not a set. Have you understood this meaning? Good, beautiful. That opinion related is not a set. It is not a well defined. So that is not a set. Okay, students, once again, what is the meaning of set? Set is a collection of well defined objects. Some of the important points. Elements of a set are listed only once. Elements. Okay, the objects are elements. Elements of a set are listed only once. The order of listing the elements of the set does not change the set. Okay, inside the set we have to write in any order. Okay, list of the elements of the set are listed only once. Remember these 2 points. Students, some of the notations. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabet. Set name we have to use capital letters A to set. A or B or P, Q, C, D. We have to use capital letters. The elements of a set is written within a curly brackets. Okay. The elements we have to write inside this curly brackets. Okay. For X is an element of a set A. X is an element of a set A. It is written as, again, this another word is X belongs to A. It is written as X belongs to A. For this symbol name is belongs to. What is this name? Belongs to. For this is does not belongs to or not belongs to. Okay, does not belongs to or not belongs to. X is not an element of a set A. That means X does not belongs to A. It is written as X does not belong to A. It is belongs to, it is not belongs to. Belongs to means the elements of X lies in this set. Lies in this set. Okay. So see some of the example. Consider the set A equal to set of all 2, 3, 5, 7. For it is a set. These are called elements. Each one called the elements. How many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a set name. It is a it is a curly bracket. Inside the set we wrote some of the numerals. This is called elements. 2 is an element of A. So how you write this? 2 belongs to A. 5 is an element of A. So that is 5 belongs to A. What is the symbol name? Belongs to. 6 is not an element of A. What is this meaning? Not means not belongs to. 6 not belongs to A. Have you understood, students? Students, now a representation of a set. For this representation of a set, we have 3 methods. Okay, so that is a descriptive form. First method is a descriptive form. What is the meaning of descriptive form? The descriptive form means the set is described in words. We have to write in words. Without symbol, we have the set described with words. Described in words. For example, the set of all vowels in English alphabet. The set of all. The set of all vowels in English alphabet. The set of whole numbers. For this is like this format is called a descriptive form. You have to know this symbol. The symbol it is called as such that. For this such that symbol. For these two dot it is such that. In lower class like this format you are used as ratio. For here in set we have to use this as a such that. What is the symbol name? Such that is like this form or this. Okay. Then 3 dots. Etc. We use the dot 3 dots in the exam. 3 dots in the example 2 that is mentioned here. 3 dots is called ellipsis. For 3 like this etc. symbol we used that name is ellipsis. It indicates that pattern of the listed elements continues in the same manner. Etc. we used. What is the meaning of etc.? It is continuous in the same manner. The same symbol name is ellipsis. Students, next one is a set built-up form or rule form. Set built-up form or rule form. In the set built-up form, all the elements are described by a rule. The elements described by a rule. The first method, what is given? Described with words. It is described by rule. Okay. So, A is equal to set of all. How you read this? A is equal to set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. What example is given in the first method? The set of all vowels in English alphabet. The same example written in a set built form, that is A is equal to set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. The second example, B is equal to set of all X such that X is a whole number. Okay, how you read? X such that. X such that. Okay, students. Third method, roster form or tabular form. Okay, a set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. Listing the elements. Okay, so third method, what is the meaning? Listing the elements. For example, English alphabets, what are the English alphabet? A is equal to set of all A, E, I, O, U. Each letter we consider as an element. B is equal to set of all whole number. Whole number it is starting from 0. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, students? Yes. What are the 3 representation form? Say, what are they? Yes, that is descriptive form, set builter form or rule form, roster form or tabular form.